Hi friends, welcome to Kranti's Maths class. So today the seventh problem, given that cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So in the second problem, in the seventh one only, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, we have to find the values. So given that cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, so solution, cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, 7 by 8. So cot is nothing but, we know that cot is a multiplicative inverse of tan. So tan is opposite side by adjacent side. So cot is a adjacent side by opposite side. So here we have to draw the one right angle triangle is equals to adjacent side is 7 and opposite side is 8. So we have to draw one right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle ABC, this is theta angle. So here adjacent side is BA, that is 7, and opposite side is BC, that is 8. So we have to find AC. For AC, from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So here hypotenuse we have to find, that is CA or AC, CA square is equals to adjacent side is BA 7 square plus opposite side is 8, that is BC 8 square. So CA square is equals to 7 square is 49 plus 8 square is 64. So 49 plus 64, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 and 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 113. CA square is equals to 113, that is CA is equals to square root of 113. So 113 is not a perfect square, that's why CA value is root 113. So first of all, we have to find 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here we can write it is a plus b into a minus b. It is also a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. A square means 1 square, b square means sin theta whole square. The same way, a square 1 square, b square cos theta whole square. So nothing but 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Just put the values in the problem. 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but from triangle 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta means you can write sin theta is equals to here. Sin theta is equal, this is root 113 completed now. So opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 8. Opposite side is 8. And next hypotenuse is root 113. So whole square by, so 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta means cos is here. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is here 7 and root 113 square is equals to 1 minus 8 square is nothing but 8 into 8 64 by root 113 whole square is can cancel root and square, remaining 113 by 1 minus, so here also square, so 7 square 49 root 113 square 113 So this implies we can write LCM 113 into 113 minus 64 by 113 minus 49. So 113 minus 64. So 13 minus 4 9. 13 minus 4 9. Here 10 minus 6. Okay, 10 minus 6 4 49. Here 13. So 13 minus 9. Okay, so 13 minus 9 here 4. 13 minus 4 4. Next 10 minus 4 6. So answer is 49 by 64. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos 1 minus cos theta is 49 by 64 is the answer. Next, second one, this problem, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So here 1 plus sin theta is nothing but 1 plus sin theta. Sin theta is 8 by root 113 by cos theta. Cos theta is 7 by root 113. So is equals to LCM is root 113. So root 113 into 1 root 113 plus 8 by here 7 by root 113. So here 113 can cancel. So in here also we can cancel 113 and 113. The same way root 113 cancel here. So remaining here root 113 plus 8 by 7 is the answer. Okay, this is about the seventh problem. So eighth problem is the last problem in this exercise. So in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equals to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay, so solution now. So in a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So we have to draw one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, right angle at B means we have to write B here only. So remaining you can write A here and C here. So ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So tan A is equals to root 3 here. Tan A is equals to root 3. So tan A is equals to root 3. So root 3. So tan A is equals to, we can write root 3. So first of all, tan A is equals to, tan means here we know that opposite side by adjacent side. So root 3. Also we can write root 3 by 1. So tan A is equals to root 3 by 1. So here opposite side of A, root 3 BC, adjacent side BA. So we know that from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Opposite side square. So hypotenuse here, hypotenuse is CA. CA square is equals to adjacent side is 1. Opposite side root 3 square. So CA square is equals to 1 square is 1, root 3 square can cancel 2 and root 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. When CA square is equals to 4, we can say CA is equals to root 4, that is equals to 2. So now CA is equals to 2. Okay, we have to find first problem, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin C. Here CA is equals to 2. CA is equals to 2. We have to take 2 measurements from A and from C. We have to observe this point. Okay, so sin A cos C. Sin A. So sin A is opposite side by adjacent side. Sorry, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is here root 3 by hypotenuse 2. Cos C from C. Okay, from C opposite side is BA, but cos formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is here root 3 and hypotenuse is 2 plus cos A from A. So cos formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So cos A adjacent side is 1. Adjacent side is 1. Hypotenuse is 2 into sin C from C opposite side is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. So here root 3 to root 3 2 to the 4. In the same way 1 into 1 2 to the 4. So LCM of 4 comma 4 is 4. So just we have to write same 3 plus 1. So 4 by 4 is equals to 4 ones are 4 ones are cancel. So 1. Okay, next second problem in the 8th. So cos A is already we know 1 by 2 into cos C is root 3 by 2 minus sin A is root 3 by 2 into sin C is 1 by 2. So 1 into root 3 2 to the 4 minus root 3 into 1 root 3 2 to the 4. So plus root 3 by 4 and minus root 3 by 4 can cancel. So answer is 0. So this is the 8th problem. So we completed exercise 11.1. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe my video. After subscribe, please don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you very much.